Virginia's on the sick list tonight, so let's take a look at the weather now. And a grey old day to finish off the week. The city reached a top of just 11.4 late this morning, a low of 9.3, and right now 10.6 in the city. And cold and grey right across the suburbs too. 12 in Elizabeth, Glenelg and Noarlunga. Patches of frost over the northern pastoral and agricultural areas. Dropped down to -1 in Roxby Downs overnight. A few light showers further south. Murray Bridge and Victor Harbour, they both didn't get above 9. A little warmer in Port Lincoln with 15. To the satellite picture, and high pressure overhead will continue to move east tomorrow, so cool and partly cloudy there. Early frost and fog patches for most of the weekend before a cold front pushes in from the west late Sunday, then returning us to a pattern of showers right through next week. Around the country tomorrow, a possible storm in Perth, another freezing night in Canberra before warming to a top of 13. Sunny for Brisbane and the far north. Back to our state tomorrow. Frosty morning over the Flinders and parts of the pastoral districts. Top of 19 in Port Augusta and Woomera and just 14 at Clare. Further south, the slight chance of showers about the southeastern districts, most likely in the afternoon. Up to 17 at Port Lincoln, Murray Bridge and the Riverland. 14 in the Barossa and the lower southeast. To the metro waters, winds tending north to northeast up to 10 knots. They'll become north-northwest in the afternoon and shift back northeasterly by the evening. And to the weekend's fishing tips, good reports of garfish right along the metro coast. For whiting, numbers are starting to increase. You could try normal rec or even goannas. And further afield, maybe jangly squid or two around Moonta Bay and Port Hughes, and head to the Riverland for colour. Back to the suburbs for the weather. A partly cloudy day up to 16 in Elizabeth, 15 at Noarlunga and the Bay, and just 14 degrees in the hills. In the city, a mostly fine day, reaching a top of 16 after an overnight low of 7. And taking a look at the week ahead, a very, very wet end of the weekend. We'll see showers develop, cloud increase later in the Sunday evening, and a lot of rain expected next week too, talking around up to 30 millimetres for the city from Sunday right through to Wednesday, with temperatures hovering in the mid-teens right throughout.